Hello! As you can see, and you maybe saw already before, finally we have made this opening in our living room. The challenge is for me now to make stairs here. Today, first day, I will try Sawmill logs, I will make plank. Tomorrow I will produce stairs, and in third day I will try assemble day. What will be in the end I have no idea, but my wife with kids will go to some traveling small, and I will be alone 3 days. I definitely must use and make some progress here. I hope when she will be back the stairs will stand here. Sorry, my wife Linda. She's 18 and I'm almost 40. Any sawmill produce a lot of additional materials like sawdust and even mulch for your garden. We have some logs, but we will take exactly the pine log which we cut in first log episode. This is LT10, European model, something 3-year-old, maybe already today they have some new models with another equipment. Any log is not perfect straight. It's always in the one end it's wider and second end of the log is smaller. In the best, if you have smaller end close to operator, because you are making measures according the smallest part. Before start cut log, it's very important to make it in level. That means that the center of the biggest part and center of the smallest is in one horizontal line. I'm using hydraulic domкрат, and woodmizer produce special gap that you place under the log and it's secured. In the best, if the first cut when you are making the log is like vertical, the longest part is vertical. And now very quickly I will explain in normally how we cut. We take away first cut in one side, then we turn for 90 degrees, we cut again, we turn again for 90, and we are making like square one block, and then we are cutting in the pieces what we need. But today for stairs I need plank. That means I just need to cut lines like this. That's all. It sounds very simple, and we will try to cut. Hello. Yes, super. It's too wide in the end. I need to cut manually. I need to take chainsaw and cut a little bit off, because otherwise I will not be able to go through with cutting saw. Actually, we in Europe have very small trees, nothing bigger as 200 years. Maybe USA, yes, it's pretty common that you have big chainsaws still, but here in Europe, so small Sawmill like LT10, and maybe you think it's very small, so small chainsaw, but it's enough. We don't have bigger trees. I can cut everything in my forest with this, and it's absolutely joke. It's 15-inch chain bar. I bet it's enough in most of Europe, maybe somewhere 18. And these very huge oaks, 1,000-year-old or something, we maybe have just 100 of them in all Europe, and nobody will cut them. I need to change saw blade. Wow, I see that somebody found the water. Oh. The young lady, I see she cannot stop even play game with water. You see how much planks, 2-inch planks we can got just from one pine log. Here you can see I have some surprise from Second World War. Tomorrow I will start to create stairs, I will start to cut out steps and side beams, and we will see how it looks. Thank you that you have been today together with me, and I very hope to see you tomorrow. Bye.